Do you sell products to clients or walk-ins? If you do, let me show you how quick and simple it is to set up inventory in Nookal so that you can manage this with ease. In Nookal, inventory can be set up by going to Setup, Items, Inventory. You can create different stock items that you'll be selling at your clinic by clicking here. As you can see, the setup of each stock is pretty straightforward. Enter the name, price, and locations. You can decide if the locations will share stock counts across these sites. Enter the item's SKU, and then let's open the advanced features on the right-hand side. Add any additional information required, including whether they will be enabled for third-party integrations. Importantly, let's also add in the quantity of the stock, including the minimum quantity, which will help you to know when to reorder more of that stock type. Now that we've created our inventory items, we can also think about creating bundles. Bundles allow you to group specific inventory items to be sold as a pack. You can also choose to add a discount to the total price if you'd like. To view your bundles, click on the trolley icon on the top right-hand side of the page. You can also copy an inventory list from one location to another by using this tool here. And when it comes time to run a stock take, you can download a stock list into a CSV and then use our stocktake tool to update the actual quantities on hand more efficiently. Finally, be sure to check out our inventory report to keep track of what has been sold in a given time frame, as well as the remaining quantities of each item and the total revenue generated. Once you've created your stock, you'll be able to sell, order, and report on inventory with ease.